Yeah, I'm just having a little look through on Chariots and Cycles, wondering about the next brakes that I'm considering for my Specialized Rockhopper Sport 2021 model, what is large frame. And I just want to get rid of the Tektro brakes I have on my bike. I've already fully upgraded the bike already. I would have the RockShop Recon forks and it nuke proof neutron wheels on it for the time being. Next year I'm gonna upgrade it to either Horizon V2s or Hope Fortis 26. I have my Hope stem, I got the Hope tapered headset to put taper forks onto the bike, what is a ZS44 straight stereo tube. I've done a lot of things to the bike like the SRAM group set and so on. So now I just need to get the brakes because I'm just doing like an entry level build. So the Shimano front disc mount adapter post to post is what I'm looking at, because from my experience I noticed that Shimano and SRAM has worked well for me, that is. So Shimano RT66 brake rotor I will buy, because when I had my Norco I used the 203 rotor straight onto my SRAM level, not the T version, just the level, the one that has that big block and you have to slide on your handlebar. It doesn't have the clamp that comes off where you can put it anywhere in your bar you want it to. So the RT66 is something I'm definitely gonna buy, because from experience I know it works and the braking has been very sharp. And I noticed that when I had that towards my G2 clean sweep rotor at the time, it performed better than that rotor. So I'm definitely gonna buy that. Then I'm just gonna go for some SRAM Level T discs, brakes. So this one's gonna be on my rear. You can either use your rear on the right or left side of the bar. Same with the front, you could use it on the left or right side of the bar, right? There's no wrong way to place the brakes. So at the moment it's £42, £42. Comes to a total of £149. That's the subtotal. Next delivery will come at a total of £154. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the 180mm because my bike's post mount on the front, post mount on the rear. So I'm gonna get two post mounts and put them on my bike. RT66 I'm gonna put on because they're half the price of the SRAM center line. It's not like I can't afford them. I can. It's just I'd rather just cut cost if there's an option to do so. And because from my experience I know that they work very well, I would do that. SRAM Level T, once I get that RAM from my frame, cut it down to length, re-bleed it again, I'll be good with that. Put the front brake on. I don't really have to cut the front brake because even one of my trials bike is 950mm and that fits on nice and well. This bike is far much larger. My handlebars are more higher up, and once I put the cable in, I doubt I have any issues. So this is what I'm gonna go for, and this is what I'm gonna use. The only thing I may buy would be cable. Let me see. Is it cable protection? Cable protector or something like that. Yeah, like frame protector. Let me see. I think something like this. I think. Let me see. FA frame protector. Yeah, there we go. So we got ourselves some frame protectors. I don't want to get these little rubber things because they're easy to drop off, and when you lose them, you're definitely not finding them. So this is what I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy the Lifeline rubber bike frame protector. Oh, there's an R, but the R was missing. They got different colors. They got blue, they got orange, they got red, and they got white. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the red ones. And this is what I'm gonna use to be putting onto my bike to protect my my cables. So this says a pack of 4. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So I may say, based on the colors on my bike, I got red, I got white. So I said like red and white will go. I do have orange grips, blue, and there's black. So I could say add 2 reds. I kind of like it fruity actually. This is like a fruit twist. Add 2 to that. Come down to the bottom. There's total 10 items. So that means we have the 2 adapters. We got 2 U, 2 U. We got 2 rotors. We have the rear brake, we have the front brake. Comes £161, total 166. And I say, this is what I'm planning for my next bike upgrade, what I may do later on down the year. So peace out.